Good afternoon, it's been some time. We are back out for a wild camp. I'm here with Alex and Emily and Summer, and we're just going to go up on top of Win Hill, scout out a camp location that we've been looking at, and bring you along for the ride. Back from your exploration.
It's either boggy or too small.
Right, the team are all setting up now. I think we're basically going to go, yeah, where Al is, where Emily is, and then I'll be roughly here. Should be good, shouldn't it, Al?
Oh yeah.
And then hopefully no trees fall on us.
This is just exciting. Next time the views are like yours.
There we are, all set up. It's definitely quiet where we are. I think we've picked a pretty good spot, to be honest. All three tents set up. The ground that we're on at the moment is like really mossy, so it's really nice to. It's probably going to be really nice to sleep on actually. And we've chosen this like area here next to these new growths because we're hoping that a lot less of these trees will fall down. But yeah, really exciting, really nice. It's really nice listening to the wind through the trees. It's actually quite late. It's much later than I thought it would be, so we're probably gonna make dinner at some point soon, and then I've got some photos that I want to take, and then yeah, just have a bit of a chill, have a chat, enjoy the scenery. my new favourite drink for the evening in a well camp. This is dinner tonight. Huel's katsu. Lovely. Just have my Huel. It's very windy. I just wanted to quickly come and see what the valley looks like post sunset. I'm so glad that we're so sheltered where we are. This is what we're looking at. Right, we're all tucked in now, ready to go to bed. Had dinner, watched the sunset. Yeah, just ready to kind of like tuck down now. It's pretty cold tonight. Didn't quite expect it to be this cold. Probably should have bought some extra layers for tomorrow, but I think we've got the down jacket, got the waterproof, should all be fine. So see you in the morning.
Maybe next time.
Happy?
Bonjour.
Happy, let's go.
Leave no trace. Off we go. Anyway guys, if you have any questions about any of my gear, please do drop the questions in the comments below. And as always, if you've enjoyed this and you want to watch along for more, please do like and subscribe.